Hi, this is Jacob from Westwind Moto, and today we're going to show you how to mount our Enduro 40 Ranger Wilds rackless bag set on this Ibex 450. So starting from the back here, we're going to first take this mounting strap, in which here we have installed two aluminum hooks. And what we're going to do is we're going to first take the first hook here on the middle or towards the middle of the strap and hook that in through our rear eyelet here on our mounting pin on our luggage rack. Then on the end hook here, we're going to take that through and slip that through this outer hook on the middle part of the Ranger Wilds base. Now we're going to go ahead and repeat the same process on the other side. So again, we take the middle hook, slip it through our loop here on the rear mounting pin, and then we take the end hook and slip it through the outermost loop. Again, this is just preference. You could also mount it here on the inside, but here we're mounting it on the outside. So this is mounting method 1, and now I'll show you mounting method 2. So when it comes to the mounting options, you can get kind of creative. So what we're going to do now is actually cross these straps over, like so. So we're going to take the right-hand strap here and hook it through the innermost left-hand side loop like that. And then with the right-hand strap, we're going to cross over this side and do the same thing. So you have something like that. This sort of a mounting option may be especially useful if you're trying to use up excess straps, so then you have less to roll up here on the ends. However, for today, we're going to use the previous method. So we're going to take this strap here with the aluminum hook on the end and feed it through the inside of our rear footrest. And then we're going to come, as we loop it around, and under here, you will notice that there is another strap eyelet here. So we're going to take it with the hook part, we're going to hook it in from the top, like so. It's important to know that it's very important to hook it in through the top and not from the bottom, so as that it will not fall out when you're riding. And then by pressing down on this metal tab here, we can start to tighten the strap. But we're not going to tighten it all the way just yet. Now on the other side of the bike, we're going to repeat the same process. We're going to feed our strap with hook through, and then locate our strap eyelet underneath, hook it in through the top, pull down on our tab, and start to tighten it up. Now that we have all 4 mounting points secured, we can start to tighten the straps. So to do that, here in the front, we just pull down, and then on the end, we have this strap tie here. So we can just roll this up. That way it's not flapping around when we're out on the trails. Now for this last step, what I like to do is take both of these straps at the same time, stand exactly at the middle of the bike, and pull back as much as you can. And then, so long as they're tight, you can start to roll up the excess strap here. So now we've got our Ranger Wilds Enduro 40 mounted here on this Ibex 450. Thanks for watching, and please let us know in the comments if you have any questions or concerns.